Good morning, Pineview Intermediate Panthers. We're so excited to welcome you to April. We are on another cookie video right now, and I'm excited to welcome you to the most intense, most delicious cookie bake-off ever. The Great Cookie Challenge is about to get started, and our school's top educational experts are going to go head-to-head in this cookie challenge. So let's meet our contestants.
I'm Mr. Howell. I'm the master of literacy, and like reading, it is the most important ingredient.
I specialize in accommodations and modifications. I'm Mrs. Bagnell, and because every good recipe needs adjustments, I'm going to make it just right.
I'm Miss Croucher, and I'm all about boosting confidence in learning, just like a little extra sugar makes cookies extra sweet.
I'm Mr. Man. I'm the secret ingredient. You don't always see me, but I make sure everything comes together perfectly.
I'm Mrs. Cannon. I keep things under control in the kitchen. No burnt cookies here. Just like I keep my students on track.
And I'm the fabulous Mr. Lorenzen. And good communication is the key. Without it, your cookies or your learning could be a disaster.
And I am Mrs. Cleveland. I make sure that everyone has the chance to bake a success.
All right, contestants, today's challenge is to bake the ultimate cookie. But remember, you're not just baking cookies, it's about you helping the students succeed. Ready? Bakers, begin!
Butter makes everything smooth and rich, just like the support I provide in small groups. You might not always see it, but trust me, it makes all the difference.
Sugar makes everything sweeter, and so does confidence. I help students believe in themselves because learning should be fun, not frustrating.
Some students need accommodations just like cookies need eggs. And we use the eggs to bind everything together, just like we do different things to help our students bind their learnings. Like some kids get extra time to do things, and some kids need small group instruction, and some kids just need to have things done in a different way. So here we go. Village just makes everything taste better, so we're gonna put that in there too.
Okay, too much of anything isn't good. This is salt and baking soda. Too much salt, we're gonna ruin our cookies. So just like I help my students find the right balance, we're gonna find the right balance with cookies, and we're gonna know when to have fun and when to work hard.
Just like reading, you can't really learn much without it. And in cookies, you can't have a cookie without flour. But flour by itself doesn't taste very good. That's why all of us have to contribute together to make these wonderful cookies.
Following directions is everything. I make sure students understand how to communicate their ideas. Because if you can't communicate your ideas, or you can't follow the recipe, it'll end up as a disaster.
Chocolate chips represent diversity. Every student has unique strengths, and I make sure each one is included, valued, and given the chance to shine.
Time's up. Contestants, let's see how you did. Let's turn it over to the judges. Judges, how'd they do?
Let's see. Let's try them out.
This cookie has a strong foundation of reading skills. a perfect balance of support, and just the right amount of sweet confidence.
This cookie is so inclusive, even raisins would feel accepted. Good job.
And the winner is all of our students, because you are the best batch of learners. And we are here to make sure that you rise to success just like the best cookies.
Keep learning,
keep growing, and remember, you are the real secret ingredient.
All right.
You were gonna pan the whole thing and then come back?
Perfect.
It's okay, we can cut and
Yeah, I know. We're good.
I can't be the only one to mess up.
I am Miss Bagnell, and I specialize in modifications and accommodations because every good recipe needs adjustments.
All right.
Okay. Chocolate chips represent diversity. Every student.
Following directions is everything. I make sure my students understand how to communicate their ideas. Because if you don't communicate your ideas, your recipe will end up in the toilet. No, just take that out. Cut that out, we'll try it again.
your recipe will crumble like these. Trying to be closer, get close on it. This is an extreme close-up.
Extreme close-up, I don't know if I like that one. It's too old.
Okay.
So some cookies, like just like students, I screwed that up. Never mind.
Following directions is everything. I make sure my students, should I say my students? Once again.
I don't remember what I said last time. Okay.
Following directions is everything. I help my students. Hold on, we gotta swap this. I got the blooper one.
I love that line. I have too much fun.
That line is perfect.